When it comes to cool tools, hold that thought until you watch this video. The Roberts Knee Kicker is a game changer for blue-collar workers as it's designed to make their work easier. It's engineered with extra heavy aluminum castings and industrial-grade steel to provide rugged strength and durability. You can easily adjust the length of the double locking pin from 19 inches to 23 inches. Its high contour neck makes it possible to use over stretcher heads and poles. The center grooved head allows you to adjust the power stretcher head with a durable powder-coated finish. The tool can last for a long time before it comes subject to wear. It's hard to carry a felled tree to a pile of wood and down to a fireplace, but you can simplify the journey using the Fiskars WoodXpert. It includes a wide range of tools like brush hooks, sappies, log hooks, tongs, and even a forestry belt. The tools included in the WoodXpert are designed to help you carry small logs of wood and cut them into the perfect size for firewood. The tools are made out of durable materials, ensuring they last long and also keep you safe while you do the activities you love. The Skil PWR Core 20 features a wide range of tools that are all designed with the same important feature of being lightweight. The tools in the series are designed for heavy-duty work like drilling holes in walls or hardwood. But unlike regular power drills, this one doesn't feel heavy on the hand and also allows you to work in tight spaces. So instead of having to go manual when you need to reach a tight corner, you can continue to use the drill. It's a great tool for DIYers and even professionals. The most dreadful part of washing cars is waiting for it to dry, because if you decide to zoom off after a wash, you may get water into the important parts of your vehicle. Through YouTube, car owners have been learning how to use leaf blowers to dry their cars, and that's what has brought us the Stubby car drying nozzle. This powerful leaf blower doesn't just blast off water on the surface, it produces enough air to dry water from the crevices of your car, the windows, gas cap, and other places you can't reach with a cloth. Using this method of car drying will prevent scratches and swirls caused by cleaning your car. For a beautiful finished look, use a microfiber cloth to end the drying process. Are you enjoying this video? That means you'll enjoy the other ones on our channel, so subscribe and hit the notification bell. The Bucket Caddy is a tool for blue-collar workers that allows them to organize all their tools in one place. The bucket can fit 3 liters to 5 liters of items, a large amount of space if you ask. On the side of the bucket are 51 pockets for smaller tools like screws, pliers, measuring tape, and more. With a storage bucket of this size, one would assume that it's hard to take it around. But the Caddy is lightweight and is designed in a way that ensures impressive distribution of weight. Organize your tools in one place and make your work easier. The Bora Miterex is designed for the sole purpose of cutting out the perfect miters. We all know how hard it is to get precise miters, and although no one else may notice, it could be an eyesore or a source of stress to the creator. But with this tool, all that would change. Use the tool to measure the exact angle you need to cut, then lock it and transfer that angle to the miter saw. It then divides the angle in half to create the perfect miter. Very straightforward and easy for anyone to understand. The Metabo TPF 18LX is a cordless, submersible, and rain barrel pump. The flexible cordless pump can be used any and everywhere as an immersion or rain barrel pump for eco-friendly garden irrigation, with rainwater or pumping out clear water from containers, water basins, and flooded cellars. The retrofitting from rain barrel pump to clear water immersion pump is speedy thanks to the pump base that can be removed without the use of any tools. The battery pack has an external battery box that protects it from moisture and can be fixed to the wall or containers. One of the incredible features of this pump is that it has an inbuilt timer, making it great for connecting to garden sprinklers. You can also determine the water pressure with the regulating valve, so you're sure things never get out of hand. If you've ever had to carry multiple individual tools for different purposes, you would understand the frustration that comes with it. With the Tispanner, you get an all-inclusive tool that can switch between different uses. Its adjustable design makes it perfect for fixing loose nuts and bolts. Its quick jaw adjustment allows you to use it for quick fixes around the house and also makes it useful as a bottle opener. It's the perfect tool because it has both outdoor and indoor uses, and that's the beauty of it all. The Lacket is a leader in ladder safety as it provides the best form of protection for all the possible accidents that occur due to using an extension ladder. It uses a wedging effect to lock an extension ladder in place even before you step foot on the ladder. Once it's locked in place, you can climb with an eased mind because the Lacket has been tested in the worst possible solutions and still passed. With its universal fit and stability, no ladder will ever fall backwards again as long as the Lacket is attached to it. The DYNELO Fast Winder is a drill designed for tradies and truck drivers. It's an impact-resistant strap winder for a cordless drill, which means if there's a blockade while you're drilling, it would pull through without stopping. However, this feature can get dangerous because a person's hand may accidentally get in the line of work. The design of the drill provides excellent control of the lashing strap during winding. The tool allows for lightweight construction and is best for 0 to 50 mm wide straps, maximum length of 20 meters. When we find the intersection between technology and our jobs, we're able to increase our productivity, which is why we recommend the Level 5 Automatic Drywall Taper. The automatic taper creates drywall easily with only a few steps. Firstly, attach the tape to the holder, then pump the air out of the taper before filling the tube with paint. Afterwards, place the automatic taper against the wall and press the trigger while moving it in the right direction. Get an incredible finish in a shorter amount of time without compromising on quality. When you finish your work faster, you're able to make more money because you'll have the time to take on more jobs. Become a master at masking with the Masking Master, a one-handed tool for bringing out masking tape. It accurately brings out the amount of tape you need and cuts it automatically, so you never have to use blades on your masking tape again. The Masking Master creates impeccable straight lines as it does its job, ensuring your package looks good afterwards. With one-handed operation, the task-free hand can be used to grip the item that's being packaged, so it doesn't shift or fall during the process. Experience less waste during tiling and plastering with the Trowel Scrape by Bucky Tools. The Trowel Scrape is a magnetic tool that you attach to the rim of a bucket, preferably the one with your concrete, and then you use it to scrape your trowel. The essence of this tool is to prevent chunks in between mortar, ensuring cement doesn't get on walls during tiling, and keep your workspace as neat as possible so you only do minimal cleaning when you're done. This Trowel Scrape can also reduce waste and ensure your materials last longer. To use, simply pass the trowel along the edge of the scrape, and whatever is underneath will fall back into the bucket. GUDE Universal Brush is a new universal brush that's an irreplaceable assistant in the home and garden, and here's why. The electric brush has multiple sides, including 2 wide nylon brushes, and one is hard while the other is soft, a narrow metal brush made of rust-proof material, and a narrow nylon brush. Now, let's get into the functionality. This electric brush works quickly and efficiently in removing weeds, moss, dirt on pavement, patios, paving stones, and yard driveways. A versatile brush, we must say. Not only can it clean gravel, it also is suitable for wooden surfaces and joints. You can change the brush with just your hand, so you don't have to worry about needing a screwdriver just to mount a different attachment. The ergonomic design ensures continuous speed and allows you to grip the brush correctly without getting worn out. You can adjust the height of the brush's telescopic rod and even add an additional handle, making it back-friendly. The Eastwood Fender roller is a great tool for automobile maintenance. With an adjustable design, it is compatible with any kind or size of vehicle, whether it's an SUV or a large truck. The tool is user-friendly, which means you don't have to be an expert or even have any experience before using it. ShrinkFast heat shrink tools are a range of shrinkage materials that are produced with high-quality materials to make items smaller and easier to ship. The amount of shrinkage and protection offered by these tools are good enough for heavy machinery. The materials are made out of sustainable items, so you don't have to worry about spending too much money. It's easy to use, apply, and remove while preserving the integrity of brand new products. Breeze through the cutting, carving, and sculpting stage of your work seamlessly with the Mini Carver. The Mini Carver is fitted with one of the most powerful blades ever and helps to cut through hard surfaces and materials. With the carving tool, you can create smooth edges in less time. It's the ideal power tool for wood carvers and sculptors. Which of these tools will you be getting? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more. See you in the next video.